Hello everybody, today we are replacing 2 fluorescent light bulbs with 1 Happy Leaf LED light that is going to give us double the par, which means better greens, better lettuce, better seedlings. My name is David with Contemporary Farmer Inc. We are a social enterprise teaching people how to grow their own food and giving them the resources to keep going and get started. We are live from Plant Chicago here in back of the yards, where we have been growing for the past 4 years. In this space, we've been able to grow 5,000 seedlings, tons of trays of microgreens, brewing compost tea. I'm super happy and excited for the replacement of Happy Leaf LED because we've already been working with this light with our students. In our school gardens, you will find Happy Leaf LED lights. We're able to grow passive hydroponic systems. We are growing microgreens. We are growing head lettuce, all indoors, year-round with students. And now we are bringing it home here at our HQ in back of the yards in Chicago. And I also love this light too because it's a reminder of how we can all engage in our local food system. I work with students from elementary school to middle school to high school, and I remind them that you don't have to get outdoors and plant and seed, but you have ideas to help anything out. And the cool thing about this light is that I can remind students, you can be an engineer, you can be a designer, and help us be better environmentalists, be better food growers. And with this light, it represents a potential of so many ideas. And working in schools and being an educator, I remind my students that they can get innovative and create different products and different things that are going to give us solutions to be better in community, be better for the environment, and always focus on local. So investing in local people, local ideas, local food is going to only help us be better in community, short-term and long-term for sure. So this light right here is designed and manufactured in Illinois. One of our main missions is to continue to work and uplift local businesses, local ideas, to make sure that we uplift communities from rural to suburban to urban, because all of us are going to benefit from lights and ideas and each other's support. Thank you guys. Come join us and be a happy leaf. Later, guys.
It makes a big difference for our small business when you subscribe, like, and share our content. Let us know what you want to see next, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.